What's up, everybody? I'm going to teach y'all how to open up a dryer. So, put the camera, angle it. Let's put right there. So, hi there, my name is Michael, and I'm going to show y'all how to open up a dryer. Of course, it varies on what kind of dryer you have. So there's always a little trick that you got to follow in order to open up the door. So, see this hand? Grab the little handle right here, and you pull out. Voila! So, as y'all can tell, I've got clean clothes in here that I need to take out. So, now this is how you shut it, okay? Little trick. Voila. Now you opened and shut your dryer.